All right. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. We are heading to a Cars and Coffee. Brendan decided to take the GT500, and when he takes the GT500, that means I take my car. Just because we have to be that couple at Cars and Coffee with our Mustangs. So, I don't know what that sound is. I figured while we were at it, we could do a Sunday vlog. So, haven't done one of those in a while. It's gone now.
You really don't like that?
I really hate it.
Oh, I got this for a nice daily.
Yeah. You know, it was one of those things where
I think we're gonna head out.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just like hanging out.
What are you doing? Getting gross.
Alright, I didn't record a lot at Cars and Coffee. I did look under my car because of that sound, and I don't know what it is. There's no consistencies with it, whether it's under throttle, off throttle, certain speed, like whatever. It's just really random. And I think it's my axles. I don't know if they're getting close to letting go. They feel fine. But they don't make, something's not making a very happy noise in that corner of the car. So we are heading home. We are going to park both of the Mustangs, and I don't know what car we're taking, but we're going to go to IFO. There's a drift event, racing, IFO, like all this stuff up in Loudon that we are going to go to. I feel like we're going to take the trackhawk just because that's the family car. Can you hear that? Like, it's almost under throttle, and now it's gone. So I don't know. Having cooled seats in this car is literally a godsend. I love it so much. There he is. Oh, he flipped me off. He's probably jealous that I have cooled seats.
Called technology. We have AC that can fix that.
What's that?
I don't know. Something on my Shelby apparently doesn't know what it is. It's not working.
No way.
Yeah, I like turned it on. I was like, AC, and then it just didn't get cold. I was like, okay.
She looks as dumb as she
She
drives.
was death gripping that steering wheel. Like,
So terrified.
what is this, Sunday vlog day?
Yes, it is. It's been a while.
Yeah.
It's been a while since I posted a video, period.
Slacker.
Dude, it's been so busy at work, I don't want to do anything.
Okay.
Having to be 3 people is exhausting. And managing a bunch of children, basically.
Working at a shop, babe. That's what you'll do. Manage children. Stayed in it.
They just stayed in it, but it wasn't a lane. They were just driving there, and I'm like, what?
What did he say?
This is a really judgmental Sunday vlog.
Let's drive around New Hampshire and talk about how many people we can't stand.
I swear, we're really nice. We just don't like dumb people.
Got a rally blue WRX in front of us with gold emblems.
Oh, don't worry. The wheels were paint matched.
Were they gold?
No.
They're paint matched to the car?
To the car.
I didn't see that. That's too much blue for me.
Blue on blue. Colored wheels.
But it's sad though, because like if I wanted to get a nice WRX, it would be World Rally Blue with gold wheels. Just because it literally is the best color combo.
Well, that's like if you get an Evo 10, you're gonna have RPF 1s on it.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah. I feel like, what color
silver, white, black. But I want to do like, I'd like to get an Evo that's like an actual cool color. Everyone's got a white one.
I can't.
It's always white, always red, or always blue, I feel like.
I can't do the white. Silver is too
Plain.
cheap looking.
Plain.
The gray is alright. The thing is, the black that I had was a nice black,
Yeah, but it's black.
but it wouldn't look good with the bag blues because it has a gold and brown flake in it.
True. I don't know, you'd have to see it. I mean, I would rather have chased problems on a 600 horse Evo than a stupid Mustang.
That now needs axles. I love my car, but I hate it.
Same. I love my Shelby, but I hate it at the same time.
What if I just run? If I run a high 8, I'll sell it.
I can make it run a really, really high heat, very, very fast on one hit.
Nitrous?
If it lives.
Why are you here?
Get off the highway if you're gonna do 60.
Or at least get out of the left lane. The left lane is for crime. Why
Get
are
in
you
the left
braking? Like you're braking in the left lane.
Getting
and there's
passed
no
by a
one-
minivan in the right lane now. Literally get in the left lane to get on your brakes. Oh! That Honda just cut through 3 lanes and 3 cars. You know what we could do?
What?
Grab a snack at the track, then later on, itchy bomb.
I knew you were gonna say that. Yes.
Why'd you buy a Hellcat? For the sounds. Barracuda out there on that dude's driveway.
I think it was for sale.
Was it?
Yeah.
Looked like, was it?
Project.
Yeah, coupe too, though. Wasn't ever convertible Barracudas. It's like the ugliest thing in the world to me.
Convertibles.
Anything that's gonna soft top.
Miatas are an exception.
I was just gonna say I want a Miata though. I would
get a hard top.
Yeah, same.
Even though the hard top's like $5,000 in itself.
Right there with them? Gotcha. Do I look like general parking because I'm in a fucking trackhawk?
It's a Jeep. Let's go.
Core face off at New Hampshire Motor Speedway, where they're doing they're racing World Superbike. Well, not World Superbike, but the bikes are out there racing today. They're doing Club Loose, I think, for drifting in the import face off car show. There's a bunch of stuff going on. I don't know if anything parked up on the speedway, but the fans looking here, but just we'll have to see.
The C5 just rips it.
Yeah, when I tell you, take a video of Shane. That's awesome.
That's dude, that's
Oh, that's cash cam, but that's something cool. Oh, nice job.
Good push, bud.
Do you notice the carbon barrels?
I didn't. Oh,
I
wow.
thought those were hydro dipped.
how sunburned I am, but I can feel it. Look at the Miata.
Oh, you know why I need gas?
So much for having a cool car when we get in it.
Alright. I suck.
Yeah.
I think we look a little different from when we started this video. Your arms are burnt, my nose is
Oh
burnt.
my god, I can see.
It doesn't look that bad. The video makes it look way worse.
Are you sure?
Yeah, the
That
video
looks bad.
It looks bad, but the video makes it look way worse. Stop flashing your tits.
I was looking at my neck.
Stop.
Somebody's spicy. Look like a little lobster.
My skin definitely feels spicier now.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
God, I love you.
Guess I can include this in my YouTube video since I'm making it today, but watch this. And listen to it. I was driving on this. Axles shouldn't do that. Just so you all know. Here's the passenger side one. At least it doesn't sound as bad, but it still shouldn't have play back and forth like that. As always, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications for new videos, and share with your friends. Until next time.